Most people want to be rich, but most people don't know how money actually works. So here's the simple version of personal finance you can use today. Personal finance is just 3 questions. How much comes in? How much goes out? What happens to the gap? Step 1. Know your number. Add up your take-home pay. Subtract every expense. Bills, rent, debt, subscriptions, coffee, everything. If you don't track, you can't improve. Step 2. Pay yourself first. Before rent, before brunch, send at least 20% of your income to you. That means savings, investing, or knocking down debt. Automate it so it happens without willpower. Step 3. Build an emergency fund. Aim for 3 to 6 months of expenses in a boring high-yield savings account. This keeps you from swiping a credit card when life hits. Step 4. Kill bad debt. If interest is over 7 to 8%, it's setting your money on fire. Use the avalanche pay minimums on all. Throw every extra dollar at the highest rate. Step 5. Invest the gap. Don't chase hype. If you have access to a retirement match, grab it. Free money. Then use broad, low-cost index funds. Automate monthly. Time in the market beats timing the market. Step 6. Cut the big 3. Housing, transportation, food. Negotiate rent or get a roommate. Drive a reliable used car. Cook more. Small wins matter, but big wins move the needle. Step 7. Raise your income. Learn one valuable skill. Ask for a raise with receipts. Start a simple side hustle. You can't save what you don't earn. Here's your 10-minute setup. Open a high-yield savings account. Automate pay yourself first. List debts and start the avalanche. Set a calendar reminder to review once a month. Money isn't a mystery. It's a system. Build yours today, and let compound interest do the heavy lifting tomorrow.